say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you.
Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're ready for an extreme amount of cleaning and laundry motivation. As you can see, I skipped the intro, I just went straight into the cleaning. I hope you're ready for this. I hope you enjoy this. Let's start the cleaning. So we're starting off in my bedroom and I'm changing our bed sheets, and I don't normally wear a fancy dress to do this, but immediately did this when I came home from work, so...
Touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's gonna be beyond my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Ooh. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one.
Guys, if you don't sleep with a pregnancy pillow yet, you're missing out on something. I highly encourage you to start doing so. You don't even need to be pregnant to sleep with a pregnancy pillow, but it is so good for your back and it sleeps so well, so that's a little tip for you. At least that is when you're a side sleeper just like me. And one thing I love about changing the bed sheets in summer is that you don't have to hustle putting your comforter in your bed sheets. No, you can just throw the sheets on and you are done.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you.
Looking back on this footage, I saw that our dog Jette was licking the garbage can while I was putting the garbage bag outside. Ew, that's so gross, but she loves to do gross things like that. And I wanted to clean this garbage can, and yeah, we just need a new one, but I want one for in our kitchen cabinets because it takes up space in our kitchen and I don't want that anymore. But if we want one for in our kitchen cabinet, that means we have to measure them out, and things like that always tend to take a long time here in this house.
Stay. Why don't we talk about this? Why don't you stay, stay? Why don't we talk about this? With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say you do it night, but in the morning you just sleep. With us it's all or nothing. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say you do it night, but in the morning you just sleep. With us it's all.
En dit zijn allemaal uitgewassen handdoeken, die moet ik dus nog vouwen en wegleggen.
We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
If you think this is a lot of dirty laundry for 2 people, keep in mind I have a second basket in another room that I am going to dump out on the floor. I love dumping all the dirty laundry on the floor so I can go through it and see what I need to wash together and what goes back into the dirty laundry basket. If your laundry baskets are also pretty full, I highly want to encourage you to start a load of laundry right after this video. You'll feel so much better when it's done.
We can do the final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story. We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Set it right. Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right. I'ma set it right. Back with on me. Card rubbing on the glass bowl, I've been ballin'. Free my ladies in the counting down, I'm already out.
Big cup in this store. In this store.
As I said in one of my previous videos, there is some working material in our living room because Maxim is building a garden house. But that's the reason why I've been putting off cleaning the floor downstairs for some weeks now. So the stairs and the floors were super dusty, because if I can't clean something perfectly, I won't do it. But in this case, it just needed to be done, and I just had to clean around the working material. Even if I don't like it that way, it just needed to be cleaned. I sometimes need to remind myself that done is better than perfect. So here's that if you needed to hear it.
out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
And look at that. And I'm not even finished yet. I'm a little bit ashamed to show it to you, but yeah. And you can see in the background all the working material laying around that I told you about earlier. Oh, and while emptying the vacuum container, a lot of the dirt fell right next to the trash can, so I love that for me.
I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
We are almost 13 minutes far in this cleaning motivation, and I would love to know who's cleaning with me, who's relaxing. Let me know in the comments. I love to interact with you guys over there. As you may know from my previous video, I am in the middle of my 2-week-long vacation because I love to take vacation a little bit here and there. And the weather here in Belgium is just like fall weather. They predicted rain for every day the coming 2 weeks. So that's nice. At least the temperature is somewhat warm. Right now it's 19 degrees. So that's not too bad, but I just want summer and swimming. So what's the weather like where you live?
It's electric when you kiss me. Never felt this way before. We're magnetic, wanna stay here, closer than close. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking wild, can't believe
This home is filled with endless love and laundry, so if you need some laundry motivation, I got you covered. Some of you have asked me how they can support my channel, but honestly, if you just watch my full video and like it, and be subscribed to my channel, leave a comment, those are the things that help out the most, because that's what makes my channel grow. But if you want to show some support in talks of money, I now have a PayPal and I leave it linked in the description of the video.